Hi, it's Amanda from Secrets from a Beauty Insider. Did you know that I do personal beauty consults? I don't know if you did. So I just thought I'd let you know what a personal beauty consult is and how it works and give you some ideas of how you might want to use one. So it's called an Ask Amanda session, and essentially that's exactly what it is. It's an opportunity for you to ask me anything makeup and beauty related. So as an expert in makeup and beauty for women over 40, I'm also the 2018 Queensland Makeup Artist of the Year, and I've worked with literally thousands of women just like you over the 15 years experience I've had working as a professional makeup artist in the industry. So yes, I've worked with lots of celebrities. That is true. But the most important thing to me is that I've worked with thousands of women just like yourself. And I'm on a mission to empower all of you to feel mighty fabulous regardless of your age. So that's a little bit about me. The Personal Beauty Consult is a 30-minute online session. So don't be freaked out by the online scenario. It just means that I can access women all over the world, women all over the world, and in regional parts of this very large country that we live in here in Australia. Everyone gets access. And that was really important to me, that no matter where you are in the world, you deserve really good sound advice from an experienced expert. Me. So the 30-minute online beauty consult, I send you a message once you book with a list of questions. And that really helps me to get to know you and what your priorities are, what your lifestyle's like, what your budget is. And then you can tell me what you'd really like to most learn in the session. For example, some women want to learn how to do a smoky eye. Some women just want to learn how to choose the right foundation. Some of you like to know how to master eyeliner. Some of you have got this bulging makeup purse and only use a handful of products and would like to know which products are actually really right for you, what we can repurpose, what you need to get rid of. Some of you are just a little bit overwhelmed when you go into the beauty counter in the beauty department, and so I help guide you through what products to look for and what's really going to be right for you. And yes, we absolutely can do all of that online. I use FaceTime or Zoom, and it is just like this. It is just like being face to face. I just can't reach out and touch you. So in one way, that's amazing because it means that you actually do have to do the makeup on yourself. I can't do it for you, so I get up close and show you exactly what to do, and then you repeat it in front of me. So they're really effective, lots of fun, and women all over the world give me brilliant feedback. So I'd love to be able to help you as well. It's just $80 for a 30-minute session. It's all managed online. If that freaks you out at all, just drop me an email. I'll talk you through the process of booking. Just head to my website, which is amandaramsey.com.au. Click on the Personal Beauty Consult tab, and all the information is there of how to book and pay. It will send you straight to my calendar, so you can select the time that works for you in your time zone, and the payment is collected then and there as well. It's all collected safely through PayPal, and I pretty much I do offer you a 100% money back guarantee. I don't want to sound like one of those awful salespeople, but if you're not 100% satisfied with your 30-minute session, I will refund you your $80. So it's a bit of a no-brainer. Let's get you looking polished, pulled together, feeling confident and fabulous, regardless of your age. Let's be positive and help lift one another up to shine. So just remember, if you are a businesswoman, you're a busy businesswoman, you're running your own show or you're working for someone else, you are literally your brand walking logo. You're a walking logo. So it's really important to look polished and pulled together and true to your brand, because people online especially will make a judgment call on whether they're going to do business with you within 3 seconds of meeting you. I know that sounds terribly unfair. It's human nature. So pretty much before you've even had a chance to speak to a new client, that person has made a judgment call on you. So let's just give you the best opportunity to be heard by being seen. So we can do that online, and that works really well for busy women. So anyone out in regional Australia, anyone that can't actually come to one of my makeup master classes, anyone that is overseas, jump online, amandaramsey.com.au, click the personal beauty consult button, and I'll look forward to working with you, answering any of your beauty concerns, issues, challenges, or helping you really just fine tune what products you should be using and what products will actually enhance your features and make you feel fabulous and more youthful. Let's face it. Why not? All right, that's it from me. I look forward to seeing some of you in a personal beauty online consult soon. Bye.